Hey, Health More fam. Welcome back to your go-to channel for simple, natural ways to thrive. If you're one of the 37 million Americans managing diabetes or pre-diabetes, meal planning can feel overwhelming. But today, we're making it easy with our 7-day diabetes meal plan challenge. This beginner-friendly plan includes tasty, low-carb recipes to keep your blood sugar steady. Grab our free grocery list in the description, and let's get started. Hit that subscribe button to join our health journey. Transition and disclaimer. Before we dive in, a quick note. This video is for informational purposes only and isn't medical advice. Always consult your doctor before changing your diet, especially if you have diabetes or take medications. This plan supports healthy blood sugar, but results vary. Now, let's plan those meals. Introduction to the challenge. Meal planning is a game changer for diabetes management. A low-carb, nutrient-dense diet can stabilize blood sugar and boost energy, but where do you start? Our 7-day challenge takes the guesswork out with breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack for each day. Using budget-friendly ingredients you'll find at stores like Walmart or Kroger. We've designed this for beginners, so no fancy cooking skills needed. In the description, you'll find a downloadable grocery list to make shopping a breeze. It includes staples like eggs, spinach, chicken, and avocados, items that keep meals simple and blood sugar friendly. The plan focuses on low-carb, high-fiber, and protein-rich foods to help you feel full and avoid spikes. Ready to join the challenge? Let's break down day 1, then highlight the rest. Day 1. Sample meal plan. Let's start with day 1, a perfect example of balanced, diabetes-friendly meals. Breakfast, spinach and mushroom omelet, 2 servings, approximately 10-minute prep. Ingredients: 3 eggs, 1 cup spinach, 1/4 cup sliced mushrooms, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt, pepper. Steps: heat olive oil in a pan, sauté mushrooms and spinach until wilted. Whisk eggs, pour over veggies, cook until set. Season and serve. Why it works: eggs are high in protein, spinach adds fiber, and olive oil provides healthy fats, keeping you full without spiking blood sugar. Lunch: tuna salad, lettuce wraps, 1 serving, approximately 5 minutes prep. Ingredients: 1 can tuna, in water, drained, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, no sugar, 1/4 cup diced celery, 2 large lettuce leaves, salt, pepper. Steps: mix tuna, mayo, celery, salt, and pepper. Spoon into lettuce leaves, wrap, and eat. Why it works: tuna's protein and lettuce's low carbs make this a light, satisfying meal. Snack: almonds and cucumber slices, 1 serving, approximately 3-minute prep. Ingredients: 1/4 cup almonds, 1 half cucumber, sliced. Steps: slice cucumber, portion almonds, and enjoy. Why it works: almonds provide healthy fats, cucumbers are hydrating and low carb. Dinner: grilled chicken with broccoli, 1 serving, approximately 15 minutes prep. Ingredients: 1 chicken breast, 1 cup broccoli, 1 tablespoon olive oil, garlic powder, salt, pepper. Steps: season chicken with garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Grill or bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Steam broccoli, toss with olive oil, serve together. Why it works: chicken's protein and broccoli's fiber keep blood sugar stable. Day 1 is simple, quick, and sets the tone for the week. Track your blood sugar to see how these meals feel. Text over days 2 to 4. Meal highlights. Now, let's highlight days 2 to 4 to show the variety in this plan. Day 2. Breakfast: Greek yogurt, Parfait, plain yogurt, berries, walnuts. High protein, low carb start. Lunch. Zucchini noodle bowl with pesto and cherry tomatoes. Zoodles swap out high-carb pasta. Snack. Cheese cubes and celery. Quick, satisfying protein hit. Dinner. Baked salmon with asparagus. Omega-3s and fiber for heart health. Day 3. Breakfast. Avocado and egg toast on low-carb bread. Healthy fats keep you full. Lunch. Chicken Caesar salad. No croutons. Romaine and chicken are low-carb stars. Snack. Hummus and bell pepper strips. Fiber-rich and crunchy. Dinner. Turkey meatballs with cauliflower mash. Comfort food, diabetes style. Day 4. Breakfast. Chia seed pudding, made with unsweetened almond milk. Fiber-packed morning boost. Lunch. Cobb salad with hard-boiled eggs, avocado, and bacon. Protein and fats for satiety. Snack. Walnuts and berries. Antioxidant-rich and low-carb. Dinner. Pork chops with green beans. Simple, hearty, and blood sugar friendly. These meals use ingredients from your grocery list, keeping prep under 20 minutes per meal. Notice the variety. Zoodles, cauliflower, and berries keep things exciting. Text. Let's wrap up with days 5 to 7, showcasing more creative, low-carb options. Day 5. Breakfast. Egg muffins with spinach and feta. Make ahead for grab and go. Lunch. Shrimp salad with avocado and cucumber. Light and refreshing. Snack. Greek yogurt with cinnamon. Protein with a blood sugar-friendly spice. Dinner. Cauliflower crust. Pizza with veggies and mozzarella. A low-carb treat. Day 6. Breakfast. Smoothie with spinach, avocado, and unsweetened almond milk. Nutrient-dense start. Lunch. Turkey and cheese roll-ups with pickles. No bread, high-protein lunch. Snack. Hard-boiled eggs and olives. Quick and filling. Dinner. Beef stir-fry with bell peppers and zucchini. Low-carb Asian-inspired flavor. Day 7. Breakfast. Cottage cheese with berries. High-protein, low-carb morning fuel. Lunch. Grilled chicken wraps. Low-carb tortilla. Portable and satisfying. Snack. Avocado and tomato slices. Creamy, fiber-rich snack. Dinner. Baked cod with Brussels sprouts. Light, heart-healthy finish. By day 7, you'll feel confident with these meals, and maybe even notice more energy or stable blood sugar. Keep tracking to share your wins with your doctor. Challenge. Tips and motivation to make this challenge a success. Here are 4 tips. 1. Prep ahead. Spend an hour on Sunday chopping veggies or cooking proteins. Use containers from Target or Amazon for easy storage. 2. Shop smart. Stick to your grocery list to save money. Buy in bulk at Costco or Aldi for staples like nuts or olive oil. 3. Track your progress. Use a glucometer or app like MySugar to monitor blood sugar. Note how meals affect your energy too. 4. Join the community. Share your day, 1 meals, in the comments and connect with other Health Morph viewers. You're not alone. This challenge is about progress, not perfection. If you slip up, just pick up with the next meal. Small changes can lead to big results. Research shows low-carb diets can lower A1C and reduce diabetes meds for some. Stay consistent, and you've got this. That's your 7-day diabetes meal plan challenge. Download the grocery list below. Start with day 1 and let us know in the comments which meal you're trying first. If you love this, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe with the bell icon for more health tips. Check out our 5 blood sugar friendly snacks video linked below for more ideas. Thanks for watching, Health Morph fam. Let's keep morphing our health together.